Hi there, hi everyone. Yes, it's weekend. In today's newspaper on a Saturday, yes, it's Saturday, June the 11th, 2022. We have here two regular puzzles, Sudoku Medium and the Samurai Sudoku. Every Saturday I post a PDF file link below. So if you like this kind of puzzles, just download the PDF file and you can solve that. But for me it's too much because I need more than an hour to solve. Alright, in today's newspaper there's also an additional with 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. 3 of them I will solve today. We have here the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars. Saturday, June 11th. The binary and the tectonic with 1 star. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So a total of 6 extra puzzles. 3 of them I will solve today on Saturday. The Sudoku with 3 stars, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. And of course, the regular Sudoku Medium. And tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I will do the rest of the puzzles. But first, this Sudoku Medium. This will be number 4684. Yes, the daily Sudoku practice continues. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, this will be a 1 star. From 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me see. 3 in this row, third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then the 1 in the first column, the 1 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in the row above, so no 1 there. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. Yeah, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. Here 1 in this column, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. Did I? Okay. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 in this column. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third row for number 2. Alright. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. Then 4 in this last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see this is number 1 and number 4. All right. Then, let me see. We have a 6 in the first column, the 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. Okay. Alright. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. We have a 2 and a 9. In the last row, so no 2 and 9 in this box. The 2 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes disappear. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the third column for number 8. Alright. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. The 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have an 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And we have a pair. I believe. No. Well, we have a 1 and a 9 in the first row. The 1 and a 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9. It goes there. Then. Let me see. 1. I'm thinking. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. All right. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in that row, in the middle row, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Alright. 3, 3. Okay. How about 2, 2, 2, 2. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in this box. Here 9 in this column, so no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9, should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 2 and the 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 1. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Okay. Then. Okay, and let me see. Yeah. We have here 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this row. The middle row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, here, or there in this big square. We see here another 5 in the middle column, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in that column, so no 8 there. Only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, a little bit slower than I expected, but we solve it again. We solve it again. Alright, if you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. Just follow the link below. Also for the summarized Sudoku, this one. The link below, we have also a PDF file that you can download for solving that puzzle. Anyway, thank you for watching, and later on I will continue with the other 3 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now. Daily Sudoku practice continues.